Welcome to Awesome Cat. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about built-in function range in Python. We will see example how to use. First, we are going to count from 0 through 9 by using range with the argument of 10. So this will be, and we will also print those values for number in range. We're just going to pass in 10, and then we are just going to print the number and separate those numbers with the space, and run our script and check the results. Just give a space over here. And run. And here we get the numbers from 0 to 9. It don't include 10. There are 3 versions of the range function. When we call range with just a single argument, it always gives us back a sequence of integer from 0 up to, but not including that value. The one we saw, yeah, it printed from 0 up to 9, not including this 10. And now we are going to see example of a function with 2 arguments for our range function, which allow us to specify the starting point in the sequence. For example, let's say we want to display a number in the range from 2 up to, but not including 10. We can do like this. And we are going to use for again, for number in range, and we are going to start from 2 and goes up to, and the end point is end number is 10, and it will go from a 2 but not including 10, and we are just going to print number, and same, separate by space. And we need to run our script and check the results. I will add a empty print statement so we can separate these numbers from these, and we get the new line added after these numbers. So, and then we can run our script and check our output. And here is the result, starting those numbers from 2 and going up to 9, not including 10. So this is the output for range function with 2 parameters or arguments. We also have a 3 argument function for range. So the 3 argument version we can use to start from 2, but and go up to 10, but we want to count by 2s. For example, first it's going to include 2, then the next number will be 4, and then after that will be 6. So let's see how to do that one. I will just copy the one from here and modify our function to include 3 arguments. So we need numbers starting from 2 and we'll go up to 10, but we wanna go counting by twos. So we need to add 2 at the end. I will add a print statement for new line to separate the output. And now just run our script. And now we get these numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. We can also use a read function to count backwards. Let's go from 10 down to 0, and we will decrease by 2 each time. And the second argument here will not be included that value. So we will be going to 10 down by 2 to 8 down by 2 to 6, and until we reach the value before 0 in the sequence. Let's see how to do it, and those number will not include 0. Just print a new line. Just print statement for a new line, and after this use for number in range, and we are going to start from 10 and up to 0, but not including 0, and we are going to decrement by 2. This will be print number, and also add a space between numbers. And just save and run our script. This will be, and here is the output for the our range function using for backward counting. We get 10, 8, 6, 4, and 2. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel, Asimcode. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.